Hi everyone, I was just sent this workbench to assemble and demo for you today, and I appreciate you guys sending that. This actually came packaged extremely well, and it actually looks really pretty easy to put together. I've kind of started putting it together here. It's actually adjustable into 7 different height positions, but it is really easy to put together. It simply uses these hand twist screws here. Your pieces, we're going to go ahead and insert those in and get those to whatever level that you're wanting to have it, and again, it glides really nicely. I'm going to go ahead and get it pushed down to that level right there so it's even with my other side. I've left five hole positions there. These simply go through and then you just tighten them down. Now they do provide you with all the tools that you need, including a wrench that you can use to hold onto the back side of this to tighten it down, screwdrivers, all the hardware is required, which is really nice. Once I get this other one put in, you then have these adjustable rubber feet that are optional. I'm going to put them on mine, and they just simply already go into this pre-slotted holes on the bottom of these as well. We're going to twist those in so that it looks like this, and the nice rubber foot on there is going to keep that from sliding around. So I'm going to do that on both sides, and then we're going to attach those to these cross member pieces. So you've got these other pieces we're going to attach on here. I've gone ahead and attached this side on. This side here, you just simply insert these through these holes. As you can see, it goes through there, right like that, into the back side of this. Everything lines up really pretty well. You can either use the manual one they've given you, or I happen to have an electric one here. So we're going to simply drive those in, and then you're going to have this cross member piece. This kind of stabilizes it from swaying back and forth on the back. They do provide you with some adequate hardware for this as well. It's just going to simply slide in here like this on the back and create a cross member like this piece over here. So we're going to slide that in, put these screws on, and then go ahead and put this other one in up there to add those cross members. And then we're going to use those C-bolts to attach these across here and across this side here, putting about 10 screws in to secure this to the base, and then we'll flip it over. So I've got it flipped over. Those rubberized feet really stabilize this, and the fact that they're adjustable is a great feature as well. They do provide you with 3 of these smaller hooks as well as 3 larger hooks that you can attach on here anywhere that you need to, which is really great as well. They do provide you the USB A and C along with these 4 power pieces. You can simply turn it off or on. It even has an illuminated on so that you know when it is on. That way, if you're plugging in any kind of power tools or apparatus, you can plug those in, and of course it's going to start charging anything on there, which is great. So loving that. Also can hold, this is a 48-inch bench, so 4-foot bench can hold up to 2,000 pounds. And when I say 2,000 pounds, it can hold 2,000 pounds and it's not going to go anywhere. I weigh 200 pounds and it's not even budging, which is great. So really a solid desk, can hold a lot of weight, can clamp things onto this nice thick wood top. Fully adjustable, 7 height settings, works really well in anyone's garage or workspace. Thank you guys again for sending it.